Baby.
Yes.
Remember, I still have a trip to go to Dubai. Baby. You're okay.
Not at all.
Oh God.
Not at all.
Just hang in there.
On what?
Remember, we still have a trip to go to Dubai and get married there. We still have to open a business together. Have kids. Just don't leave my baby.
I'm gonna try, man.
Please.
It's very time up for me. Wanna buy flour. That's my box. That's my check box right there. Pitanya when I need this food. Couldn't try it more time. One time. I try it more time. Would get like one more time. Marad, take care of yourself.
Wait, don't leave. Don't leave.
Can you do me a favor, please? Can you not use my cucumbers in the fridge? Those are my favorites. You know that, right? Because you often get freaky yourself. Oh,
okay, baby. I promise I won't use a cucumber. Just don't leave, baby. Baby, baby, don't go. Just don't leave, please. Please don't leave.
One more favor? Can you go switch on my laptop and clear my browser history? There's a lot of naked people in there. I don't know why they are naked. Please don't go through my phone also. That will really make me rest in peace. You understand, right?
Okay, baby.
Okay. Someone now.
Hold the baby. Baby, just don't leave. Baby, please.
Cut! I think you like that banana. Compliment me, but never been seen like me before, but
William, I really didn't like that, hey? I really didn't like that. It's just not cutting it. It shot us something. It lacks originality, you know?
Okay. I think it must be her. Can you be original? Stop being fake like my TV. Please. You are putting my career at stake. Talk to her, man.
No,
talk to her, don't...
William, it's not her. It's you, honey. It's you, okay?
How come?
Come. How come?
Okay, that day I thought you said you are a professional director. Look, that's what I heard, not what I see right here.
I am a professional director.
And I am a professional actor.
But I'm not convinced, William. I am not convinced.
It's because you haven't seen my resume, bruh. Okay, let's do another take. Usually I don't do 2 takes, but since you have a lack of directing, let's do it again.
You know what? That's fine. I like that. Let's take it again from the top. Okay? Chantel. Michelle. We're taking it from Dubai, okay?
Yeah.
We're taking it from Dubai, and then please remember, honey, you're supposed to kiss him, okay?
Huh?
Yes.
Wait.
There's a kiss.
Yes.
Can I see the script, please?
Yes.
You put on
but I don't want to kiss him though.
I didn't.
And why don't you want to kiss him?
Look at him. His lips are too big.
Too big for what? If you want to be a movie star, you have to do what the director says. Kiss me? You kiss? Do you prefer a French kiss or? Well, let's do it.
Places. We're doing another take.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Director, you don't have a Vaseline on you or?
I don't have Vaseline.
I'll use.
Places. Okay. Cameras. Rolling. Sound speed. All right. Last words. Take 172. Action.
Maybe. Remember, we still have to go to Dubai and get married there. We still have to open a business together. Have kids. Just don't leave my baby. Please.
I'm cutting out the kissing bit.
Oh,
I'm cutting it out.
Thank goodness.
Thank goodness, man. You will never make it. When I also want thank goodness. Why are we cutting this kissing scene, man?
William.
Why?
William, just lie down, just play dead, and we're gonna do cutaways. Is that okay? Can we do that? Can we do that?
You know what they call you are witchcraft. You man. Oh, you are very jealous, man. Oh, man.
Just do the cutaways. Do the cutaways. Just do the cutaways. Play dead, William. Play.
Why are we cutting the kissing scene though?
Just play dead.
Okay. I'm sorry with all I'm waiting for action semester.
Okay.
I'll cut this kissing scene.
Action.
Ow. What are you cutting there? Killing you, Sulemuna.
William.
Suta who no? Suta.
Supposed to be acting. What?
I'm too big for this. Way too fat.
What's happening?
I'm leaving.
No.
Where's my manager?
William.
Where's my manager?
You don't have to leave, honey.
You can't.
We'll do it again. You'll kiss him, right? Don't watch out soon now.
Manager, where's my manager?
Chantel.
Michelle.
Where's my
Chantel,
manager?
do something.
Why? Where? Where here?
Okay. I will play dead. Chantel.
Michelle.
Michelle, kiss me.
Hey. I'm finished. Oh. Move. I'll do it.
Okay.
Fast.
Okay, he's back. He's back.
You'll kiss me. Let's do it. Why are we taking too long?
We're taking it again. Action.